visuals also coming to you from Rajpath as we prepare for the parade to take place. Earlier, of course, we saw the Shastra Puja that was taking place behind the Rajpath. Let me go across to Major Arya now. Major Arya, today is a day where we celebrate the valor of our armed forces. We have a shortened program that takes place at the Rajpath today. Right now, visuals that are coming to us are of soldiers as they prepare to celebrate this country's constitution.
No, absolutely. And I often say this, and today I take this opportunity to say this once again, Nupur, that, while the Constitution was written by the founding fathers of modern India, post-independent India, but it is also true that it is the soldiers that defend this Constitution. The Constitution is defended by the blood, will, and the sense of purpose of these soldiers that you see on screen. And no amount of gratitude is enough. We cannot thank them enough. And today, while we must celebrate them all 365 days of the year, it is today especially that we must celebrate our soldiers and thank them from the bottom of their hearts for defending the Republic and defending the Constitution of India. Nupur.
Major Arya, of course, there's a great amount of excitement over the Rafale flypast today. Whether you talk to the elderly, you talk to the children, that's something that everybody is so excited about.
No, absolutely. This is like, for children, it's almost like a carnival that is happening. There is so much of color, there's so much of joy, there is so much of activity. And I remember as a child, I always looked forward to the Republic Day parade, and I can imagine what must be going on in the minds and hearts of the small children there who are there and watching it on television, or even going there and trying to personally see how the contingents march past. Always has filled me and every Indian with a huge sense of pride, and more than just pride, also filled us with a huge sense of purpose. Look at the soldiers there. These are old 25-pounders from the good old days of the Second World War, and they're going to fire, if I'm right, three shots each. And these 25-pounders have been laid out. They will fire the salute, the gun salute. And these are the soldiers who are manning these guns, and they will be required to fire as and when they get a signal. Now, this is in honor of those. Just wanted to point out the swastik sign. The swastik sign, the Shastra Puja happens. The Shastra Puja has already happened here. And in the army, it happens when a new weapon system is inducted, and it is also done before any auspicious occasion. Here you have the thali, the puja ki thali, and all the people, all these gunners are there, and they're waiting for the signal. They can turn around, quickly run to the guns, take their positions and start firing. Absolutely.
Right, Major Arya, do stay with us. Let me also go across now to Anand, who's reporting from Rajpath. Anand, give us a sense of what's happening there even as we speak.
किया जाएगा जो शेड्यूल है उसके मुताबिक जैसे ही राष्ट्रपति ध्वजारोहण करेंगे उसके ठीक बाद इन्हीं तोपों से 21 तोपों की सलामी दी जाएगी और ये शौर्य प्रदर्शित करेगा। ये बताएगा कि भारत को अखंड रखने के लिए कितना जज्बा सेना के अंदर है और जो यहाँ लोग मौजूद होंगे उनके अंदर अभूतपूर्व उत्साह है। देखिए इस चीज को लेकर कि वो देख पाएंगे, प्रत्यक्ष गवाह बनेंगे इन तोपों को चलते हुए, देखते हुए 21 तोपों की सलामी को देखते हुए। हालांकि इस बार का गणतंत्र दिवस अपने आप में बेहद अनूठा रहने वाला है क्योंकि रफाल आप देखेंगे फ्लाई पास करते हुए पहली दफा होगा। देखिए स्वाधीन भारत के इतिहास में पहली दफा होने जा रहा है कि ऐसे किसी समारोह में एक महिला पायलट फ्लाई पास करेंगी। एक महिला पायलट को पहली दफा उस बेड़े में शामिल किया गया है जो कि दिखाता है कि मातृ शक्ति को मजबूत करने के लिए, महिला शक्ति को मजबूत करने के लिए देश पूरी तरीके से किस तरीके से प्रतिबद्ध है। प्रोग्राम शुरू होगा और वहां से पूरी तैयारियां, पूरी झलकियां और झांकियां जो निकलेंगी वो तमाम तस्वीरें आप तक पहुंचाते रहेंगे। शाजिया।
Right. Anand over there taking us through the preparations that are on at the Rajpath. The Shastra Puja, as we were talking about, has already taken place, mostly takes place before a big event. It is going to be a reduced celebration today, but nonetheless, it is going to be as flamboyant, and it will also, of course, be a display of India's military might as well as various cultural events that will be lined up through the day. And I'd like to point out that all of this is taking place amidst strict strict COVID protocols. We've also seen soldiers of the Indian Army also sticking to those protocols, wearing masks even as they prepare for the events lined up today.